Good morning, fam! Lalabas na naman ang Alba Fam Bam with the kiddos. So today punta kami ng Cross Iron Mills kasi imi-meet namin si Santa Claus. Okay, that's just part of our yearly tradition. So yeah, papa-picture kami and then after this, punta naman kami ng somewhere south.
Yeah,
Birthday ni Ate Sofia, the daughter of Joseph and Lai Romualdez. So punta kami doon. And then after that, I think that's gonna wrap up our day. And then tomorrow, church. And then siguro lunch. So let's see. But for today, no, we need to go to church, but it's gonna be tomorrow. Okay, so see you later, Alba.
See ya.
Oh, you don't cry. Okay, Daddy will kiss you a lot. Okay, so see you later, Alba Famba. See Santa Claus. Who's going to meet Santa Claus today?
I want to go to
Alright, let's
Baby
go.
Jack Wall.
Okay, Lian, let's go. Come on. Here. Oh, you want to go to mommy? Okay.
And I'll go there.
Kuya, go na. Kuya, muna. Kasi...
Okay, dito na kami sa Cross Iron. And dito si Santa Claus sa loob ng Bass Pro. So let's go, kuya. Go, push. Opo. Oh, kaya ka ni kuya. Oh, galing ni kuya, oh. Yeah, we're going to be late, kuya. Baka umalis si Santa Claus. Let's go. Ng Bass Pro. Wow. Ito pala yung mukha niya sa labas. First time kong nandito. Dito papasok. So usually sa mall entrance. Dito pala. Okay. Okay, let's go. Kuya, you need to hold Daddy's hand. Here. Yeah. I got Kuya. Welcome, fishermen, hunters, and other liars. Who are the liars, Kuya? There. Ito na kami. Oh, they have a real fireplace here. That's nice. Okay, let's follow mommy. Up, it's over there. Hi. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, go. Push. Ayun, si Santa Claus. Where's Santa? Where's Santa? Do you see Santa? Do you see Santa? Huh? Kuya, do you see Santa? There. Naka-reserve na actually si Donna dito. Right, love? Naka-reserve ka na. So,
You need an appointment.
Yeah, so confirm na lang natin. Confirm na lang natin ang meet up with Santa Claus. Ewan ko kung payat ba na Santa Claus or matabang Santa Claus, yung normal Santa Claus. Ano siya?
Let's see. Mataba.
Mataba. Matabang Santa Claus. Okay, so syempre si Kabayan nandito din. At okay yung Santa Claus dito kasi walang charge to love, libre. Is it free?
Kung gusto mong bumili nung digital something nila, you need to pay. Pero may free na sila. Parang 4x16.
Oh, really? Okay, so we don't need to buy. We can just scan it.
Huh?
Right?
You can go here.
Okay, okay. Oli ka. Bayaan natin si mommy mo na dyan. Okay. Oh, yeah. May drawings dito. Okay, go ahead. You can play there. Uy, may bata. What is that? Tingin dito kay mami. Bilis. Kuya. Kuya.
This is a fake snow. Oh, you hug Lian.
Lian, look. Look here. At parang may dwarf.
Lian, go. Ready, girl? Look here.
Here. Nice. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Hey, fam. Tapos na kaming magpa-picture kay Santa. Ayan, si Lian. So, nandito pa rin kami sa Cross Iron. Ikot-ikot. So, siguro magpapatay na lang kami ng oras dito. And then, diretso na kami kina Joseph kasi it's Sophia's birthday. Sa Kids Go, somewhere in southeast of Calgary. Walang snow today. Laging natutunaw pa ngayon ang mga snow, pero parang may forecast tomorrow na may snow ulit. And magla-lunch lang kami dito, kakain, mag-aantay, and then off we go to southeast of Calgary. So that's it, and see you later! Tingnan natin kung mabubudol tayo ng 60% off nila. Ganda! Ito 60. Ooh, that's a lot of money. $389. That's $299. Ganda din. Mura oh. 20. Pwede. Naghahanap ako ng beanie. Or bonnet. Or beanie. Ah, yan. Catch. Pwede to. 69. 389. Ito. Kasi wala ako nito eh. Pang winter. $50. Okay, kuha tayo isa. Then, ito naman. Gloves, 59. Tanong ko muna si Donna. Oh, ganda oh. Scarf din. Ito, sure ball na. Okay. Then, wow. Hi, kiddos. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, you were looking for me? Okay. Oh, ganda nito. So, ito kasi yung fancy eh. Gusto ko, hindi masyadong loud. $349. Nandito din pala. At ayun, nasa counter na si Mami Pam. Nabudol nga. Ayun oh. May basket na dala. Oh no. Hindi. Actually, yung dalawang bonnet ko yung nandun at saka parang dresses and then isang polo shirt kay Kuya. I think relatively cheap lang naman. So, and then socks. How much are those?
34.
Huh? 3-4, and then you can get another one. Or no? Yeah, it's fine if you just need one.
Don't do
Good
that.
prices.
I will give you food.
And pagod na. Who's hungry? Who's hungry?
Jollibee.
Who's hungry? And where are we going? To?
Jollibee.
Jollibee again? Okay, nabudol. Ayan oh, laki oh. Ang dami naman yan, love. Oh no. Yep, we're going now. Daddy's hungry too. Naka-theme pa kami, oh. Yeah. So we're not gonna pass by Nike anymore. But Jollibee's... Okay. Daming tao. Ba't ang daming pera ng mga mga nandito, lab? Mga Canada, Canadians. Dami nilang pera. Pero you know, when you look at the news, it's like everyone's suffering. Everyone's... so I really don't know what's... But if you look at the stores, you look at the restaurants, if you look at Apple here, if you look at... Everyone's buying. Yun yung totoo. Mahirap ba? Or madali? Right, fam? So let me know. Yeah, ang ganda. You have nice Christmas lights here. Wow! Pipicture na naman dyan si Mommy. Rereklamo na ang mga kiddos. And of course, the favorite. Dito lagi kakain. Where are we now, Dave? Lian? Where are we now? Jollibee. Okay. Whoa, nice. Is that nice? Dito, Mami. Pwesto lang kayo dito. Mami, pwesto lang kayo dito. Mabipicturean ko naman kayo. Wow, kuya. Your phone? How about your phone, love? Is it there? 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. One more. 1, 2, 3, go. It's okay. All right, done. Done na. Okay. All right, let's go.
Hindi na, malilate tayo kay Ate Sophia nasa timing.
Yeah. 1 oras na lang sila makakalaro. Ganyan. Pag na-late.
Ayan, hello fam! So, done na ang task namin dito sa Cross Iron.
And...
Tapos na ang aming ang init, sorry. Santa yearly photos. And then, nabudol kami ng medyo konti. And then, kumain kami sa Jollibee. And now, we're heading to Ate Sophia's birthday. Yay!
Who's going to play in the playground? You? Oh.
Yeah!
I'm so excited to Kuya Devon can go to the...
Ang daldal mo, Kuya Devon. Sige. Go to where? So, paalis na kami ng Cross Iron. Ito yung usual way namin We're heading south today. And it's so sunny.
Deerfoot.
Deerfoot. And sunny today. So, yung mga snow medyo halos wala na. Natunaw na.
A few moments later.
There you go. Ayun yung kids go. Indoor playground. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you're Poggy. You're Poggy. Release. Release, kiddos. May Alba kids. Yan na, playground. Up, 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 up. Kuya Davon. Oopsie. Ay, sus. Okay, come on. Let's go. Up, doon. Kuya. Okay. Let's go. It's indoor playground talaga, no? Winter eh. Wow, it's nice here. Ganda ng place na to. This is Kids Go in Southeast Calgary. Ganda oh. Check natin dito. May mga slides. Yeah. Ito yung mga party, parang party rooms nila, private rooms nila dito. So, sa Seahorse kami. Sa Seahorse. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more time, faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, you wish, 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 wish. Tatlong bahay daw bro, na bago. Fourplex bro. Oo. Okay, blow again, blow, blow. Yay! Okay, pray na mami. Pray. Lianica! Lia, no, no. No, you can't go there. Whoa! Lian, you can't go there. Go, Lian! Ate Sophia, you say hi. Hi. Okay, ate. Just be careful, okay? Go, Lian! Yay! Woohoo! Follow the line, follow the line. Need to follow the line over there. Doon, doon, outer. Oh, kuya! Oh, wait. Okay, go. Okay, go. Go. Move here. Oh, wait. Come here. No, again. Whoa. 5, 4, 3. Para matagalab and lagi silang nag-share. Salitan sila dyan. Okay, here. Here, Lian. Okay, kuya first. Diba I told you stronger and in the middle? Yes! Okay, Lian's turn. Mommy, Lian's turn. In the middle, Lian. In the middle here. Corey! Yay! Nice! Kuya. Kuya's turn.
Kuya, get the boat. Kuya, makapunta ka.
One more, cheese. Look. Siyempre, yung mga magulang ang bida dyan. Ganda na mga expression nila eh.
Oh, ganda nga. Okay,
May I have your attention?
Ayan na.
This is the last call for any kitchen orders. Again, this is the last call for any kitchen orders. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go home. Tingin. Oh, naikot. Umiikot ba to? Wow, it's a spinner. Spinner po. Okay, yung mga nanay ang syempre masaya at madami silang gift from the goodie bag. Thank you, Ate Sofia, for the gift. Yun, so napagod na kaming lahat. Ang mga kids ilang oras nagplay, 5 good hours silang naglaro. Si Davon and si Lian, and then may mga prizes sila and may mga gifts, and then madaming food, pizza, and a lot more. So it was really a children's party. So syempre yung mga parents nagmaritesan and nagchika about normal lives here in Calgary, and kung gaano kalupit ang nagdaang winter at magdadaang winter pa. So, thank you sa panonood, and don't forget to like, share, and importantly subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next video. Peace and hang loose.
And